Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the Sony A1 Mark II. It has been a few years since the release of the original A1, so let's see what's new. We have a 50.1 megapixel full frame Exmor RS stacked sensor with the Bion Z XR processor and AI processing unit. An ISO range of 100 to 32,000, which is expandable from 50 to 102,400. 15 stops of dynamic range, 759-point high-density face detection AF with 92% coverage, and autofocusing down to -4 EV for improved low-light performance. 30 frames per second blackout-free continuous shooting with AF AE tracking, and if that isn't fast enough for you, then the A1 Mark II also features pre-capture, where you can record for up to a second before hitting the shutter to ensure that you never miss that shot. We've got enhanced image stabilisation with up to 8.5 stops central and 7 stops peripheral compensation, and dynamic active mode has also been added, which offers you more stabilisation electronically for those handheld walking shots where you don't have a gimbal. There are also some new composite RAW functions like pixel shift multi-shooting and NR shooting, which allows you to capture high quality images with low noise even when shooting at higher ISOs by combining 4 to 32 RAW images together. Thanks to the AI processing unit, the A1 Mark II features real-time recognition AF for both stills and video. This includes human pose estimation. They've also made a 30% improvement in the accuracy of human eye and animal eye recognition, and around 50% improvement in the accuracy of bird eye recognition too. There are also options now to select from extra large or extra small focus areas, and I can't not mention the fact that there is now an auto mode in your subject recognition, so the camera will detect whatever subject is within the frame itself and track it and recognize it without you needing to go into the menu and select the right one, which is going to be a huge saver if you like shooting a variety of subjects but you're always forgetting to change your subject detection back. When it comes to video, you can record 8K 30, which is oversampled from 8.6K, 4K 60, 4K 120, as well as a whole host of other shooting options, including Full HD. Its internal 10-bit 42 all-intro recording and options for S-CINETONE and S-Log3, which has now been improved, so it's even easier to match with the output from Cine Alta cameras such as Venice and Burano. And you've got fully customizable focusing performance with focus breathing compensation, focus map and AF assist, not to mention auto framing, movie self-timer, time code sync, and new shutter speed options for 24p recording to really enhance your filmmaking. It's not just the internals which have seen a major upgrade. We've now got a 4-axis multi-angled LCD screen, which is perfect for all shooter scenarios. The dial to be able to flick between stills, movie and your slow and quick modes, and a new position to the shutter button, which just feels a little bit more natural and easier to use. The eye cup for the viewfinder is now deeper, it's dust and moisture resistant, and we've got dual card slots for both CFexpress Type A and SD-XC cards. We've also got all of the other ports you would expect to see on a high-end Sony camera. The A1 Mark II also features a dedicated microphone for voice memos, and you can have up to 20 IPTC presets to help speed up your workflow. There really isn't much more I can add to say about this camera other than I've really enjoyed shooting with it. It's been fast, it's been responsive, which are all things you'd expect from a camera of this level. If you're serious about your photography, videography, or both, of course, then this would really be a smart choice. With its high image quality and high speed capabilities, it really is suited to pretty much all types of photography. Think sports, journalism, nature, landscapes, portraits. You can think it can probably do it. Now, if you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony A1 Mark II, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.